What's up, man? It's your boy Taz, man. We back. We just came from the doctor, as you can see. And yeah, everything is good. I mean, you know, just my daily checkup, you know, since I'm a burn survivor, you know. I just get my daily checkups, well, my monthly checkups now. So, the doc said everything good, but that's the reason why I haven't got the springs on yet, because I was at the doctor today. So, I also couldn't do it because my tool broke. So, I'm gonna go ahead and play the clip again. The reason why y'all already don't got this video. I'm irritated. I'm full of sweat. Man, frustrated. Then broke the breaker bar, trying to break the bolts. What you doing out here, man? Alright, let me see. My piece finally came. I broke the last tool. The rim shop. They put my wheel lugs on too tight. So I had to get, and I also had the wrong size too though, but now we got this boy right here. This is the half-inch drive. I only had a 3/8. So the last one wasn't big enough, so. You just bought that? Yeah. I ain't got that because I gotta break these lug nuts. They won't come off. They frozen. So we got a big, because they use the impact, the air tool, and they don't torque them down right, so they just on there super tight. But more than likely, that's what they use, air tools. But yeah, man, just vlogging, man. Why, man? Why not, man? Don't be like that. Come on, man. Antisocial. This man antisocial right here. It's all good though, man. Good day today. It's about to be a good week too. We about to get the plans moving on for the car, y'all. My bad if it ain't no car video right now, not no garage video. This is just a little update video, but y'all chilling with me today, so if that's not what y'all here for, y'all go ahead and click off the video. But so we got plans coming. So today I had to go to the hospital, like I said. We gonna be putting the car on the dyno Wednesday. We gonna see what it's making. So that should be pretty good, you know, pretty good. And I think I'm gonna take y'all with me. We better go try out this place called it's something sliders. I can't remember the name, but yeah, we checking that out today. And tomorrow it's gonna rain, so that's why we're not putting the car on the dyno tomorrow. Things should continue on Wednesday, because after Wednesday, after we get a dyno, I probably won't have a video Thursday, because I'll be putting the springs on Wednesday. And by the end of this month, what the heck? Something just dripped on my head. Oh crap, it's water dripping. But by the end of this month, we go, I promise to y'all that we go get the headers on the car. And that's my promise to y'all by the end of the month. So it should be real good. Hopefully Texas Speed call us back with the cat back that they supposed to be doing. So yeah, man, one thing with this car channel, man, it's so hard making a car channel, because you gotta wait for things to get here. You gotta have money. This car channel, everything I'm not sponsored, or you know, nobody's helping with this. Like, not my father, not my mom and them. They not buying car parts for me. I'm buying all my car parts. So I don't have a sponsor either. So yeah, and it's also a good learning experience. So yeah, man, it's not your typical car vlog. Well, lately I've been doing garage videos, but you know, y'all just chilling with your boy Taz today. So my doc told me to take it slow, even though I've been working on my car and all that heavy lifting and stuff I've been doing. But I gotta be active. So yeah, man, I don't want to hold up no more of your time. All right, man, go ahead and drop a like on the video. You already know what it is. Keep on subscribing. Y'all been going crazy, and you know, this that vlog, so hopefully I'll be at 500 by next video. So we grinding, y'all. This is vlog number 3. I'm gonna try and keep bringing it at y'all, man. I'm gonna try and make the content more interesting and all that kind of stuff. So I promise y'all this month. So if I get to 1,000 this year, we gonna turn the content completely up. All right, we gonna go crazy on the content. I think at 1,000 subscribers, I'm also do a little giveaway. So yeah, so if y'all stay to the end of the video, y'all the real ones, you know what I'm saying? If y'all stay to the end of this video, just know y'all more than likely part of the ones that's always staying to the end of the video, and y'all only gonna be the ones that know about the giveaway. So yeah, so once we get to 1,000, I'm gonna start doing some stuff with this channel, start making stuff happen. Cause as of right now, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like ain't enough people watching for me to like go all out on the channel. So yeah, man, y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about the channel and all that. So comment down below what y'all want to see, what y'all want me to do, what y'all like about the channel. And you know, we also gotta bring in a project car pretty soon. So think around like I want to say by the end of this year we're gonna be replacing my 02 Tahoe with something. We're gonna be getting another project car on the channel. I think I want to get another like a vehicle like for my truck to replace my truck. So I don't know what we gonna get yet, but yeah, man. All right, man, it's your boy Tazbegrinding. I'm out.